Content creating is not easy. You basically have to search and sort for everything from your content to your video making to video editing and thumbnail editing. Honestly, it is quite stressful. Because of that, as a content creator, we are always looking for a way to improvise and make things easier and cheaper. Hi guys, welcome to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. I am Kolade. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process how you can achieve a frictional studio just like the one beneath me. But before we dive into the video, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. Let's look into the intro. After watching this video, you'll be thankful coming across it as I will be showing you how to convert your video from this to this. But before we dive into the video, please spare me some minutes of your time to like and subscribe on the YouTube channel and comment in the comment section that you subscribe on the YouTube channel so that I can give you a welcoming hug. Let's
The
dive
first
into
thing
it.
we'll be doing in creating this fractional video is to generate this image, the image, a fractional video image. So to generate this fractional image, open your browser and into the search bar, you input bank and search for this. So once you search for bank, you'll be having a bank site here, or that's not where we're going. You click on image creator. Once you click on image creator, you will not be redirected to this site. You have to create an account with Microsoft Bing, but we are getting redirected to this site because I've created I've created the the image generating site. I've created the account for this before. So all you just have to do is to create an account. Then once you create your account, you'll be having you'll be getting to this page. So after getting to this page, you have to get your prompt. Once you get here, you can see where we're having that blinking icon, that search bar here. You input your prompt here. We already have our prompt available, so I'll be putting the link. I will be putting the link to my Telegram channel where you can copy the prompt to generate this frictional studio. And if you like, you can describe it to what you want in the search bar. Then you will be getting exactly what you've input. So your prompt, you are going to be inputting your prompt into this search bar. So our prompt is readily available. Once the prompt is into the search bar, then you click on create. After clicking on create, you have to wait for some minutes while your image is being generated. So you can see this is just what has been generated for us. We are described into this. Our prompt says design a beautiful looking wall for a YouTube video that good GB light setup. It has a nice book shelf with some books with a YouTube play button on one of the bookshelf and some tech gadgets on the shelf. So you can see this is what our prompt, and this is what it generates us. Let's preview this. You can see this. You can see that. Let's preview the next one. This is the next one. This is another one. So once you get your desired background, probably if you don't get the desired background, you can regenerate another image. It will bring for you something new. So once you get your desired background, just click on the download button to download the image. So looking at this image, the image is not in YouTube video size. The size of YouTube video is 16:9. So we just have to head over to our Pixel app. This app is a smartphone design app which we can use in resizing the image to our YouTube video size. So we go to this app. The app is a Pixel app. It is a smartphone design app. I'll be putting the link to download this app in the video description. So once you get into the app, you click on this. Once you click on it, you click on image size. Then you click on custom here. and then you select YouTube thumbnail and click on OK. Once you click on OK like this, you can see the size have changed. So you click on this three dot here, this three dot, you have this new drop down menu, then click on use image from gallery. After clicking on that, you select the image. You can see this is our 16:9. So you can just preferably you can set this to how you want it to, the size you want it to be selected. You can drag it down like this, just select it to how you want it. I think this is okay. Then you check mark with this mark here, so you can see this. So once you've achieved it, you've cut this to 16:9. Just click on the save icon here, then you save as image. Save as PNG, you change this to PNG, then you change this to ultra, then you save to gallery. Once we are done saving this image, the next thing is to move on to our CapCut app. We'll be editing the video using CapCut. So let's head over to CapCut. You open the CapCut app. This is the first interface you'll be having on your CapCut app. So in order to create a new project, you click on New Project. Here you have your videos and your photos. What we'll be using now is photos. So you select on Photos. Then you select any photo you want to add. Then you click on Add beneath here. Once you click on Add, your background has been imported. The frictional studio we are generated on the Bing image generating site, and Resize using the Pixel Lab app has been imported into CapCut now. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to import our video. The video you want to bring onto this background, you import it as an overlay. You click on overlay here, you can see the menu beneath here. So you import as overlay. So you click on Add overlay. So now we are selecting video. So you change back to video, then you select your video and click on Add. So you select the video. You can see our video has been selected. So now the next thing you're going to do after selecting your video is to move to cutout. So once you click on cutout, you click on remove background. You can see the background has been removed now with the use of the cut out menu on CapCut. You can see the background has been removed. So after removing the background, you can see our background has been changed, just like you are filming this video from a studio room. But in order to make this look beautiful together, you want to make it look like it is a real studio. You can just add some filter. You can start from adjust here. The saturation, you increase the saturation, contrast, you increase it depending on the texture of your video. The texture of your videos may be different from mine. So this doesn't have as a measurement. So you edit, you change this adjustment depending on your own the texture of your own video. So the saturation, the contrast, you can increase the brightness as well. You can, and some other things, and there are some other filters as well which you can add onto your video. Filters. So this is filters. There are some other filters as well which you can add onto the video. So once you've done all these things, there are many filters you can add onto your video in CapCut. Once you've done everything, you can see our video. You can see this is looking like we are filming from a studio. So that is just how you can create. You can generate this frictional image studio, frictional studio image, and resize it using your Pixel app and edit your video onto this frictional background using your CapCut. Please, if you learn one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the channel, and as well you can help us by sharing this video across to your friends so that this video can be pushed to more audiences and you can as well help your friend. Thanks for watching.